Hey everyone, we are back here again. This is Jess from Sallie Tomato, and she's going to show us some of the latest and greatest. So Jess, take it away.
Sure. Hi everybody. Thanks for coming over to the booth. So we are debuting a lot of new fun things at the show. We have a brand new collaboration collection with Tula Pink called Legendary. So there's some really cute vinyls. You can add the coordinating zipper pulls and charms.
Beautiful. These are just so adorable.
Yeah,
really
there's so many colors to pull from and mix and match. And then we have coordinating zippers and hardware and brand new neon colors, which is really fun.
I love the colors. How fun. Definitely. It's really, I mean, these are pretty nifty, very handy.
Yes.
You can use these everywhere, and I love the zippers. They coordinate so well. The Tula Pink. Love it.
It doesn't take a whole lot of fabric to make the fanny pack either. So it's a good starter project to work on. And
perfect. Okay, we'll move over this way.
Sure. We have some fun little building blocks.
Oh, how cute.
Here.
I know my son would love that. He loves building all kinds of Lego things, so that's really amazing. I love that. How fun.
It's a cute little display for your sewing space.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to move over this way.
So here we have some of the brand new patterns.
Oh,
so the jean
beautiful.
is a great one for gifting. It uses just a little bit of cork or faux leather.
Okay.
Smaller zipper.
Super cute. Very nice. Very handy to put your little cards and things in.
Yes.
Love that.
So other new pattern styles, the sling bag. We've
got now sling bags have really become popular. I've seen a lot of people making a lot of sling bags, and this Misty brand, love that one. That one is really nice. And I believe this one was this with Missouri Star.
Yes.
With Misty. Yeah, yes. I think I remember seeing that one.
So
that's
Misty
really
gave
a
us
lot
her
of fun.
wish list of what would be in a perfect bag, and so we collaborated and created a pattern together.
I love that. You guys did a great job together.
Thanks. Here we have some new cork fabric designed in collaboration with surface pattern designers. So this is Stephanie Organis. She's
beautiful.
an Andover designer. Really beautiful and lots of colors to mix and match with for bags. So we have
look at that sample. That's gorgeous. How nice. And I love the feel of it, you know?
Yeah.
It's very nice quality. Love
you
that.
can use it to make wallets and
that's
little
gorgeous.
travel accessories.
How nice. I really love the colors on this one.
Thank you.
She did a great job.
So a lot of variety to inspire all kinds of bag making projects.
Awesome. Well, this is great. I love it.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for showing us around a little bit here.
Absolutely. Thanks for visiting.
All right. Here's another one for you guys. Bye.
Bye.